In this video, I will show you one of my faceless channels making me thousands of dollars online every single month. Now this month has been okay so far. We made $4,000. It has been a bit slower than the months before, but still these are some really good results and you can't really complain. Now, even though it says here revenue is up a bit, if we look at the last 90 days, it's down a bit, but it's all good because I can't complain. We got a good amount of subscribers, we got some good watch time, and for the views it's really good. 800,000 views converting to $4,000. Now this is a channel that is steadily growing. If we just go on to the last 90 days, you will see it's just basically steady uploads and steadily growing. Now I have multiple of these channels, and that's why I also have a YouTube play button, for example. And I mean, this channel, for example, alone is making some decent revenue every single month. Now, instead of just only showing you all of this channel data right here, as you can see with the revenue and everything, I want to show you how you can do the exact same, of course. Because as you can see, I'm getting consistent views every single month, every single day, every single week. And it's basically just guaranteed income. I mean, the great thing is these videos earn over days and they basically grow each day and make more and more money, making hundreds of dollars passively every single day, as you can see with this video, for example. Now this is a niche I also found with my secret niche research method. So I'm going to show you exactly how I found this niche for this channel and how you can do the same and basically make insane amounts of money. Now quickly, before I show you exactly how you can find a niche like that, I also want to mention that I have a private community where I have a full course and guide breakdown and even share my own niches, for example also the niche for this channel. So you can basically just copy me one-to-one and replicate my success. And I will show you how you can basically make thousands of dollars online from videos that take you 5 minutes to make. So it's a full guide, course, niche research document, Notion template and one-on-one access in there for you. And it's only $50 per month right now for the first 20 people that join. Then we'll close the community. I will get some case studies. I will make some people successful with this. And then we'll relaunch this community at a way higher price. So if you're fast and you're one of the first 20, you can join that community right now for $50 per month. And we'll make sure that you will have some great success. And then we would like to use it as a case study too. Now, as you guys can see here, I'm on the YouTube homepage. Basically, what you want to do first is always to go to the YouTube homepage. There's some things you have to look at, but yeah, this is what I will look at back in later. But basically, I'm going to show you exactly how I found this niche, and that is first of all just by going on here and scrolling. Now, this is not a good homepage right now because it's already fed with data. And it seems like it knows I am from Germany, but still, if we just scroll through here, we have to look for something that looks kind of interesting. Right now, I don't see anything that kind of spikes my eye because the channel I just showed you is all faceless content and we don't want to create content ourselves. We want to create faceless content and optimally something we can outsource or use AI for. So let's just scroll through here and see if we can find something that looks good and is getting views. I'll keep scrolling until I find something. This can sometimes take a lot of time.
Economic downturn in modern history. People went from parties, jazz music and riches.
This looks cool. It's kind of like this drawn style. So I'll click onto this channel and it's actually a gold mine. Now, this is not the best example, but this is actually a cool channel I found. It's only 3 uploads, has 30,000 subscribers, and the upload 2 weeks ago has 1.1 million views. Now, this is definitely something we can work with because what I always look for when I find a niche is that the views are more than the channel's subscribers. So for example, if you have a channel that has 2 million subscribers and it's averaging like 100,000 views a video, that is not good because it's basically getting way less views than subscribers. But if it's low subscribers and insane amounts of views, this just means the algorithm is pushing this video like crazy beyond the subscribers, and this is something we want to watch. Also, this animated style is just going really viral lately. So this is definitely something that could work from my experience. So I will just quickly watch this video a bit. Now if we see this type of editing, it's also not too harsh editing. Now of course there's a lot of drawing and stuff involved, but you could probably use AI for some of those and find a lot of these drawings online, so you don't have to draw out all of these scenes yourself. But this is basically definitely a good niche with like these drawing animations, and it's about economics. So it's as simple as that. I just found a niche. Now what we want to do is we want to first of all watch this video so we get more content like that suggested, and we can look at more channels that actually do the same type of content. So if we just look at the site here, we can already see another channel that seems to be doing that style, and this is this oversimplified, but he has 9 million subscribers, so he's too big. But still, we'll just click through these videos and see if we can find some more that do the exact same style. This one looks good too. Let me just see when this started. As you can see, I just clicked on oldest. This is a channel that started like 1 year ago, and it has 300,000 subscribers almost, and it's getting a same amount of views also with this kind of like drawing style. So this is definitely a good style. And then for the niche, you can decide what you want to do, if it's economics or like history and stuff. But let's just click on the homepage now again, because we should get more like this suggested for us on the feed. And yes, we do. There's a bunch of videos like this getting suggested. And now we can just look at some more channels and get some inspiration. Here is another one I just found. I just clicked on it. As you can see, 3 months ago he started, and he is already up at like 25,000 subscribers, only 5 videos, and it's the exact same style, you know. And that shows me that this is a really good niche to get into, and I will actually save this niche myself, because this is really good views for the amount of subscribers these channels have. Now, how would I go about creating a channel for this now? I would basically, first of all, there's an option called going on Upwork, where you can find a lot of freelancers. Use Upwork instead of like Fiverr, because it's just way better. There you can hire some like animation artist or whatever and do that. Second of all, you can also just start by drawing this out yourself. I wouldn't do that because it would take up too much of my time, but that's the 2 options. Or you can also use some AI, because AI can definitely do some of these drawings, and it will just take way less time. But that's basically exactly how I find my niches. Now, if you want access to all sorts of good niches, I have a private community where I share all my own niches. So you'll also see the niche I'm currently running for this channel right here, for example. And I will also give you weekly updated new niches that I find myself for you and that I run myself. So you can get into brand new niches, and there are some niches that take like 5 minutes to make a video and you can make thousands of dollars. Now the link to that community is down below. It's $50 per month, and it does not only come with these niches, it also comes with a full guide and course where I reveal all my strategies to make money. Then you'll also get a Notion template, one-on-one access DM to me, and you can even get on a one-on-one call with me so we can get you started on this. And this is basically just limited time for only $50. So check that out in the link down below and join. I'm probably gonna close it off at around like 20 members, so that first of all we can get some results for the members, and then I can use it as case studies and we'll relaunch the community for a way higher price. So if you're fast, you can be one of the first 20 members, so check that out. The link is down below. But yeah, just this channel is looking great. I will update you on this channel definitely as we keep growing this. And I hope you got some value from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.